How to link your phone number in KuCoin. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how you can link your phone number in KuCoin. If you are trying to link your phone number on KuCoin, then it is simple. So first of all, launch open the KuCoin app or website and log into your account using your credentials. After you're signed in from the home page of KuCoin, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, scroll down and select Security. Inside Security options, select Phone under Verification Method. Now on the next page, click on Link Phone Number or Link Mobile Phone at the bottom and then enter your phone number on the next page. Make sure to type in your correct phone number, and once done, click on the Send button in green at the next box. Once you click on Send, you'll receive an SMS verification code. Simply type it down in the text box. Finally, click on Activate in black at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add phone number in your KuCoin account. This will also add an extra layer of security to your KuCoin account. That means safer logins, better account recovery, and smoother transactions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.